Welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about a game changer model update happening to one of the fastest growing Gen AI platform, Higgsfield. Yes, this is about much anticipated Kling 3.0, which is going to change AI video creation forever. And here is what creators don't know and need to be ready. And let me say this clearly, AI video is about to cross a line, not a small upgrade, not another cool demo. I'm going to talk about the moment AI stops being a toy and starts becoming a real production system with Kling 3.0. If you are a creator, marketeer, educator, or entrepreneur, you are about to see what is going to completely change how you make the content in 2026. A fully cinematic AI pipeline, and it's already breaking the internet. About Higgsfield, one of the early adopters or early platform to get hang of Kling 3.0 onto its. And so stay with me, because by end of the video, you will know why Kling 3 and Higgsfield is going to be one of the biggest shift in AI video creation since the video generation began. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI company with a clear mission to help the creators, and we are going to talk about the buzz of 3.0, that is Kling, and internet is already buzzing the expectation. And based on how the platform is evolving, it is clearly that Kling 3.0 is clearly shifting towards a single fully integrated video generation system. Rather than running multiple tools, separate pipelines, Kling 3.0 seems to be bringing everything together into one unified workflow. Both video creation and transformation is happening seamlessly in the same core engine. So let's have a walkthrough about how Higgsfield AI looks at before we go into the core meat of this video, that is Kling 3.0. So this is how the Higgsfield website looks like. Log in into your single sign-on with your login social media login choice like Google, Microsoft. And once you go there, you will see bunch of options. And the recent ones, if you have not heard, AI influencer is one of the way you can start creating your viral influencer of your choice with Cinema Studio, your director's cut cinema video, and you can create the bunch of options on images. And of course, you might have heard Dream 4.5, GPT 1.5, or even Nano Banana Pro and Higgsfield Soul. Let's not forget about that. And this is where all the magic happens of all the latest generation state-of-the-art model for video creation is there on Higgsfield. For example, Kling 2.6 is already there. Kling Motion Control is already there. Similarly, other models like Sora's, Vios of the world, everything you would see, including WAN, and directly in this platform. And you can get started with your choice like create image, create video, motion control, and of course my favorite Nano Banana Pro. And you can see bunch of options here where it is very easy to get started with visual effects, Higgsfield apps, Nano Banana Gallery, which you see if you are new to Nano Banana, and turbo and camera controls. Everything you see is there, including UGC, right? And you get everything. And the workflow is quite simple, which you see here. You can, if you want to create a video, you go here and let's say you choose Kling 2.6 and describe the prompts and imaginary, right? And you can also start away like create a video. You can see motion control here, and you can easily create all these features available, right? So I'll go back. Let's hop over to the Higgsfield blog. It has, and what is expected. These are all early signals, and this is a major big milestone in AI video creation if you're looking for a stronger consistency, more control, and smoother end-to-end workflow. The first one first, Kling 3.0, the next generation quality creation, right? The cleaner realism, smoother motion, stronger suit, and then we have high-end targeted outputs, longer clips, and better physics and interactions. So let's move on to this. This is the early signal. It is being observed over the internet, is moving towards, as we spoke, tightly integrated system architecture. We already have these options in this Higgsfield platform, which we saw here, and this is this early point signals which we can expect. So the workflow, right? It is moving toward a tighter integration between different video creation stages rather than isolated steps, right? Reduce separation between the initial video creation, to name a few, and movement towards more cohesive end-to-end creative process instead of fragmented tools, right? And the best part I love about this is longer format. So this one is going to come, and this is going to be a Sora killer because it is expected not only like 8 seconds or something like that, it is to 15 seconds and may go up to 30 to 60 seconds as well, which is one of the major breakthrough, while Kling is expected to maintain the temporal coherence, visual stability, and character consistency. And also, the Kling is moving towards a structured multi-shot sequence where camera structure, pacing, scene flow appear to increasingly. Now, Kling is bridging the gap between the prompt-based generation and traditional non-linear video editing. This reduces the massive friction for the content creators like us. Subject consistency, how often we speak about this, the challenge, right? And consolidation milestone marking its shift toward production ready. And we already have seen Kling 2.6 with focus on native audio generation, Kling 01 mini, multimodal reasoning, motion control. You saw in the start of the video how easy it is to bring and what to expect. And this is one of the way. You might have heard of 780p, 1080p. Now this comes with native not only 1K, 2K, 4K high frame rates, which is going to be a ultimate game changer at 60 FPS. And let's not forget the in-painting and video editing capability. And this is one of the things impacts the video creation tool. And this allows Kling to help creators to modify specific areas of a video without regenerating the entire clip. So this is one of the major features where we creators struggle. And of course, improved physics and character interaction. So Kling 3.0 is expected to improve object handling and facial animation, and bunch of all these features are expected with the early signals of Kling 3.0 going viral on the internet, and that too on Higgsfield platform. Longer video generation, and forget about 16-second or 8-second challenges. Now this is about 30 to 60-second range, which will help you to create ultimate reel, shorts, or on the other platform like TikTok, and help in the social media platform. Let's hop on to Twitter. How Twitter is sharing this buzz. You might have seen this from Higgsfield on Twitter, and it says clearly it is coming soon, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's not forget about multi-shot, native audio, and perfect character consistency. These are the basic elements, plus the longer video frame, and this is going to throw you out of the chair. And similarly on Reddit, they have also published, right? And it has given a clear comparison how Kling 2.6 was with native audio, Kling 01 Omni, multimodal logic, motion control, and what to expect. As I said, 4K 60 FPS workflow, and this is going to be a major breakthrough, right? And regional in-painting, as I highlighting that you can remove the entire, instead of generating the entire video itself, you can edit the part of the video you want to do it at easily. And physical interaction, we might have seen that 2.6 is a great model, right? But it melts. But 3.0 from Kling is remote to use a new physics to enable handle fighting, hugging, and complex object interaction. It is going to be a game changer, and that they call it Sora 2 killer. But now this is going to be 30 to 60 seconds, and this is going to push Sora's 25-second boundary to 60 seconds, right? And it is a game changer indeed, right? We spoke about all of these ultimate capabilities and why this matter. Kling 3.0 is not just better visuals. It's about faster creative iteration, unified workflows, predictive outputs, and production reliability, which means solo creators can do studio level work. Small teams can compete with big agencies. Marketing teams don't need massive pipelines. And this is what I call democratization of video production. And this is why Kling 3.0 is being positioned as professional grade AI video, not an experimental tech. And you can always start. And the best part is you might have seen Kling 2.6, 01 and motion control already live. So you don't have to wait. You can start experimenting with your prompts, cinematic prompts, text character continuity, explore motion control, and get ready for this massive launch of 3.0. The smart creators win and they prepare early. So every pawn talking to 3.0 is launching soon, not on another model, but a unified AI video system. Cleaner realism, smoother motion, maintaining the character consistency, longer clips, stronger coherence, smarter Omni workflows. This is a shift from AI demos to AI production. And if you are serious about creating AI videos in 2026, don't forget to check this platform Higgsfield.ai with Kling 3.0, and don't ignore this moment. Go try Kling models on Higgsfield today and build your first scene, test continuity, play with motion, because when Kling 3.0 officially lands, the creators who practice early will move fast and everyone else will chase. If it helped you understand where video editing is heading, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with the creator who needs to see this. I will keep breaking down what matters before it goes into mainstream. Hey, if you have not met me, my name is Preetham. I talk about AI, latest trends, and technology, and I happen to be a TEDx speaker and author as well. And let's build the future of content creation with Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield AI platform. And thank you for watching.